So something new and exciting is happening over here at T1E Adventures. I just traded a bike for this custom camp trailer, and it's going to be the ultimate base camp for my next adventures. So let's load up the Jeep, hook up the camper, and head out for a overnighter to figure out how to use this thing. Given Hip Camp a shot. Found a spot far enough to count as camping, but close enough to bail if things go sideways. Camped in the Sourtown Mountains at the absolute edge of this campground. There were not a soul in sight. So this is the OG, the prototype from Red Sky Teardrop Campers. This was the first that they built. It is built on a 2-inch square tubed steel chassis, and the cabin is constructed of 2 twin vertical plates or twin vertical pieces of plywood that are constructed from 3/4 inch Baltic birch. They're then wrapped in an aluminum composite to give it that brushed metal or brushed aluminum look. This bad boy floats on a couple of Timbren axleless axles, which gives it the ultimate ground clearance for off-road adventuring. The tongue box has plenty of room for the necessities, a bunch of prep area for food, and even a Dometic fridge. So inside the cabin, we have a twin-size bed. We have ample amount of headroom. There's LED lights, enormous amounts of storage, which will make this the ultimate home away from home. I want to thank you for joining me on this new camper adventure, and if you like the video, go ahead and give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for future videos about the camper and cycling adventures along with it. And we will catch you on the next adventure. Cheers.